Welcome to my mini marketing plan. So, to begin, we are going to talk about what my product is. So, the Dissolve Bottle is an eco-friendly water bottle company that is dedicated to reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainability. This water bottle in particular will dissolve in salt water, which will ensure the reduction of any harmful waste that goes into our oceans. So, our product is designed to meet the needs of environmentally conscious consumers who also want to make a positive impact on the planet. Our water bottles are also made from non-toxic materials, so they will be BPA free and safe for daily use. We will also ensure that these are made from recycled materials. This will just ensure that we stay eco-friendly and environmentally conscious. We offer educational resources and initiatives to promote awareness, and we want to inspire and empower people to make a positive change by choosing to use sustainable products and practices. So, to go into our company description, our company location will be in San Diego, California. This is because California is one of the states that consumes the most amount of bottled water each year. And because there is such a high demand for water bottles in this state, we would sell our brand in one of the most populated cities in California. So this way we can ensure that we stay in business and reach our target audience this way. So we would also do collaborations with vendors who embrace sustainable business methods also and share our beliefs. And we would provide educational materials and efforts in addition to our environmentally friendly products. And this is to raise awareness of the advantages of reusable water bottles and the harm that plastic waste causes. And this way we can keep inspiring a positive change. We have, as a eco-friendly water bottle company, we have many missions and goals. So some of those are to reduce the use of single-use plastic water bottles, obviously, and promote the use of our dissolvable water bottle. We would also like to create products that are made from sustainable and recycled materials. We would like to minimize the carbon footprint of manufacturing process, and we would do this by using renewable energy sources and sustainable production methods. We would educate and raise awareness among consumers about the importance of reducing plastic waste. We would like to collaborate with like-minded companies and organizations to advance the cause of sustainability and environmental conservation. We would like to continue to innovate and improve the design and functionality of our product while meeting the needs of consumers as well. And lastly, we would like to donate a portion of its profits to environmental causes and organizations that also work towards sustainability and conservation as well. Looking at our SWOT analysis, our strengths consist of having an environmentally friendly product, which there's also a growing demand for sustainable products. We also have a unique design that really differentiates us from other competitors. This would allow us to have a strong brand image and reputation. We would also have access to sustainable materials and manufacturing processes. For weaknesses, we have higher production costs compared to traditional plastic bottles. We could have limited brand recognition in the market because there is such a high demand for plastic bottles already. We could have potential difficulty in convincing customers to pay more for an eco-friendly product, and we could have limited distribution channels and retail partnerships. Also, possible quality control issues with any new or innovative materials. For opportunities, we have increasing public awareness and concern for the environment, potential government incentives, partnership opportunities with other companies or organizations, expansion into any new markets or regions, and we would also offer customization options for customers as well. For threats, we have intense competition from traditional plastic bottle manufacturers, economic downturns or changes in consumer behavior that could reduce demand for sustainable products. We have any regulatory changes or restrictions that could also impact the manufacturing process, any negative publicity or criticism, and rising costs of sustainable materials or manufacturing process. Now looking into our pestle analysis, for political, we have government regulations and policies that are related to environmental protection, trade policies and regulations that affect the import and export of these materials. We also have political stability in regions where the company resources materials or operates. For economic, we have consumers' spending and purchasing power, exchange rates, which affect the cost of importing or exporting materials. We also have interest rates and inflation that could also affect the cost of this product. For social, we have changing consumer preferences and attitudes, any demographic trends that may shift in, and that will affect the demand for these products, public perception and awareness of environmental issues and sustainability. For technological, we have advancements in manufacturing technology and processes, development of new sustainable materials and new packaging innovations. We could have any new emerging marketing platforms for online sales. And for environmental, we have climate change and natural disasters that can affect supply chain, availability and cost of these materials, and competition for resources and potential impact on ecosystems. Now for legal, we have environmental regulations and laws, intellectual property laws, and labor laws and regulations related to ethical labor practices. Now looking into our core competencies, our brand, we are obviously sustainable material and production, and clearly the most important characteristic of the dissolved bottle is that it does dissolve in salt water, and because of this, we will stand out more than any other water bottle company. We also would have excellent customer service, and we would ensure that our customers are satisfied with their purchases, and we would address any issues or concerns that may arise. This would also help with an excellent marketing and branding. The company will have the ability to market its products effectively to its target audience, and with a good customer service, this will definitely help our business grow and achieve success. We also have our partnerships and collaborations, which will also help our name get out there and promote a good brand name for our new company. For competitive analysis, we are looking at the differences of Aquafina water and Ice Mountain water. Now, Looking at this, with some research that we conducted, we found that Aquafina is roughly $8 for a 32 pack, while being $168 for a single bottle. And this can definitely be one inconvenience or disadvantage for consumers because they are paying more for this popular brand instead of not having like an environmentally friendly materials that we would essentially have. Looking at Ice Mountain, there are cheaper options. But once again, we have the disadvantages of the brand not being environmentally conscious or healthy for the environment at all. For our target market, we have demographic details and psychographic details. So for age, we have some young adults, middle-aged individuals also who are conscious of their impact on the environment. For income, we have people with disposable income who are willing to pay for a more sustainable and innovative product. Occupationally, any students, outdoor enthusiasts who require a convenient and eco-friendly hydration solution. For psychographic details, we have environmental values, so people who prioritize sustainability and are willing to make this lifestyle change. Any convenience seekers that also require hydration solution that is easy. Health conscious consumers who prefer to drink a clean and purified water from a safe and sustainable source. For our 4 P's of the marketing mix, our product consists of environmentally sustainable materials made also from recycled materials, obviously dissolves in salt water, and we have a durable and good capacity for our water bottle as well. For our price, we would charge about $180 per bottle, and this is for an 18-ounce bottle. And while Aquafina or Ice Mountain would roughly pay $150 to $170 per bottle, and for a 16-ounce, and once again, not having the environmental consciousness that we would have. For place, our product will be sold in stores such as gas station or grocery stores. We'd also be selling it on our personal website while donating our proceeds to any organizations that we might partner with. Our product would also be sold at health and wellness stores for those who want a healthier and more sustainable option. And for promotion, we would have online and offline marketing channels, any social media advertisements, partnerships, and digital ads. We would participate in eco-conscious events. This would help broaden our target, and we would also have our environmental packaging, and we would offer promotions and discounts to encourage our customers to purchase.